All right, so we're being asked to find the extrema on some different intervals here. And one thing that I want to make note of is these different parentheses here, these different brackets. So these are called open and these are closed. And so for the first one, when I do open, I'm going to 3 and it's open at 3 and open at 2. So in this scenario, there is really no relative extrema on this. It gets really, really close to that open area, but it doesn't get there. So there's no maximum here in this scenario, not a max. And this is not a min. So I'm going to do the second one in a different color because now this is considered closed. And so I'm going to do it in red. And when it's closed, I've got this is a minimum, and this is now a maximum. Now if we were to do this where this was open and this one was closed, 3 would still be my max, and 2, I might as well do this in green here, 2 is still going to be not a min. Well, it's not going to be a min because it's open, and up here it's going to be a max. So you have to be really careful on what they're asking for with the intervals. And, if it is open, that point actually cannot be used as a max or min in these types of problems.